Hi, welcome to Learningmonkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about longest distinct character set in a string. The explanation is completely provided on the basis of assumption that you already have some basic coding knowledge. If you are not good at basic coding, please watch our website learningmonkey.in, take the course placement training for service based companies, then come for the competitive coding. Coming to today's class, so first we will understand the question. Given a string S, find the length of longest distinct character set in the given string. With example, we are going to understand. Example input is Learningmonkey. We need to identify the longest distinct character set. See, gmonkey. In this set, we don't have repeated characters. This is the longest. How many characters are there? Total 7 characters are there. This is the longest distinct characters. This is what we need to identify. Output is 7. But you have to maintain a time complexity of big O of S. S means number of characters in the string. And space complexity is big O of 1. This is what you have to maintain. Logic is easy to understand. In our last classes, we already, in our previous examples, we already discussed it. Whenever we are trying to solve questions based on the strings, if there is a possibility to use ASCII based values, we can use it the same way we are going to use that ASCII set here in this example. In our previous anagram and remaining examples, we used that. So this point you have to remember when you are solving the strings. You have to check the possibility. If that possibility works, use it. So we are going to use it here. Take an array of size 0 to 255, means total 255, because ASCII is 256 characters. Initially place all these values as zeros, or you can place false. Anything, you can take boolean variable, or you can take 0 and 1. It's up to your option. We are going to go with a sliding window model. What's that sliding window model? Let's try to understand here. So 0, 1 to Learningmonkey, if you place it in this string, this position is 0th position, first position, second position, third position, so on. Total 13 characters are there. Initially we are taking two variables, left and right. Left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0. We are starting at the 0th position. See, at the right position, L is there. What is the ASCII value of L? Assume that if it is 105 ASCII value. So in the array at 105 position, mark it as true. If you are going with false and true, mark it as true. What's the meaning of that? We already visited the character L. If it is repeated, don't take it. In order to understand that, we are taking at 105 position, we are placing true. Otherwise, place it as 1, 0, 1. If you go with 0 and 1, place it as 1. 1 means already visited character. For that purpose, we are using this array. So at L, place it as true. Now R plus plus, right side plus plus. Left is pointing to 0th position, right plus plus. We are forming a window with distinct characters. Right plus plus, right is pointing to 1. Check E, ASCII value of E. At that position, if it is false, make it as true. False means not visited. The character is not visited previously. And now right plus plus, A, place it as true. Right plus plus, R, place it as true. Right plus plus, N, place it as true. Right plus plus, I, place it as true. Right plus plus 6, N, already visited. At N we are finding it as true. True means already visited character. We are not supposed to take that. Now consider, what is left pointing to? 0th position. What is R pointing to? 6th position. This is what our window is. Okay, 6 minus 0. What is the maximum number of distinct characters? 6 minus 0, 6. So total LEARNI, up to here 6 distinct characters are there. So maintain a global variable maximum length, update always. What is the maximum length now? 6. Up to here. Did you check all the characters? No. Up to here it is 6. So always keeps on updating this maximum length. If you found a window of size more than 6, update it. If you find a window of size more than 6, update it. That's why we are using maximum length variable. Always keeps on updating the maximum window size. That is possible up to now. That is possible up to now. Up to now, what is the maximum window size? 6. Now, why it got the name sliding window? See, whenever you found n, so up to, in the previous character, there is a character n. Up to n, move left. Left plus plus, left plus plus, left plus plus, left plus plus, left plus, n. We found n here. After that, up to here, you have to move. Now, window size is in. Left is pointing to 5th position, n is pointing to 6th position. Window reduce it to in. Again move on, finding the distinct characters. So the important point you have to remember here, whenever you are moving left, make L as false, because we are coming out of window. L is coming out of window, means you can again find L in the next stages. That's why L, make it as false. When you coming out of E, make it as false. Coming out of A, make it as false. N, make it as false. No, R, make it as false. N, don't make it as false, because you found it as N. Don't make it as false, but move one step left, right. So left is pointing to I. Window size, we move the window to the next position. Window size reduce it to 5, 6, means 2 position. Again check G, not visited, so make it as true. M, not visited, make it as true. 0, make it, O, make it as true. N, already visited, so N here to here, check the window size. If it is greater than 6, update the maximum length. Like that, complete all the characters. Then you are going to find it as gmonkey. This is the maximum length you are going to get using our approach sliding window model. This is how you have to solve it based on this logic, whatever the logic we have provided here. So based on it, try to write the code on your own. Anyhow, the code is available in our website learningmonkey.in. You can copy the code and execute it. But our suggestion is try to write the code on your own by looking at the logic. So this is the code. So hope you understand the logic. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.